So looks like 992 Taylor Lampp has chosen to go off grid 1. So the equation's simple for him. Win the race and he goes home $1,000 richer. But the rest of the field has a really good incentive to make sure that he doesn't win the race, because if he doesn't win the race, that $1,000 gets spread around the top 10. So Lamp's got Kailen Mooney right behind him, then Callum Sturzacre, then Kyle Rowe, then Dion Mooney. So Taylor Lamp's racing for $1,000, and the other $1,000 will get spread amongst the top 10. But of course they can all make their paycheck a little bit bigger if they can stop Taylor Lampp from winning, even if they just hold him up and he comes second. But he's had 3 wins tonight already. He'd love to make it 4. So we're gridded up. We're ready to go for the Elite Mechanical Stock Car Dash for Cash. Let's go racing! Oh, and there's a big charge into the first corner, and Lampp's come out of it the best. Kailen Mooney, 26 feet, he's got turned around. There's a big traffic jam coming out of turn 2. And we go red. And we go red, so at the moment, Kailen Mooney got out of there real quick, backwards. Kyle Rowe's involved. 992. Taylor Lampp, here comes Lampp round the outside and into the lead. So Taylor Lamp's in the money position at the moment. But he's got a lot of the race to go. Oh, Kailen Mooney's on the brakes. And now 2 cars get past Lampp, 3 cars, 4 cars. Cody Lockett's got the win. Oh, 13, Lucas Hay, he's going into block. This is turning into a gigantic teams race. Hay looked like he was lining up Dion Mooney there for a moment. 94R car pulls to the infield. So Taylor Lampp still sitting in 3rd place. But it's Dion Mooney leading. William Hughes in 2nd. Now Lamp's got Haley James right behind him too. Certainly it was a pretty concerted effort to slow him down. The Palmerston cars are running as a team. So Haley James has got past Taylor Lampp. That's 3 cars he's got to get past now. Oh, and he's got some damage by the look. The front of that car's bouncing all over the place. That might be the end of his race, I think. He's into the wall down by turn 4. He backs out. But meantime, the hits keep coming. Definitely looks like he's got some steering damage, Lampp. He's got a right front wheel. It's a very, very bent, sitting at a very strange angle, and the lights go red. Oh, we got a car on its side over by the wall there. 13, Lucas Hay. He's picked somebody up. So with Lampp on the infield, does take a little bit of the, certainly takes the dash for cash interest out of the race, but there's still a race to be won. And Lucas Hay in the 13 car looks intent on causing as much mischief as he can. Kailen Mooney gets turned around. Everyone's ganging up on William Hughes now, but Dion Mooney, he's got into a battle with the 84 car, and he might suddenly have lost the lead. I think William Hughes has jumped into the lead. No, Haley James is the leader. So 18V, Haley James leading. Then William Hughes, Blair Reeves Smith. And here's an old rivalry about to be renewed. 26 Kailen Mooney and 99 William Hughes. Hughes goes out wide, gets set to make a dive. White flag's out, so one to go for Hayley James. And that's going to be a terrific win for Hayley James in the 18V car. She takes the win ahead of 99S William Hughes. Just waiting to see who's come home in third place. 212V Blair Reeves Smith, then 58V Mazan Lee, 78V Mark Johnson, 6V Dion Mooney, led into the last couple of laps, then he got spun up. Still managed to get home in sixth.